Hello students, today we will start our new unit 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Question 1. Which of following statement is true or false? And give reason of your answer. Means first we have to say whether it is true or false. And if true, there is no problem. If false, we have to give reason why it is false. First question. Only one line can pass through a single point. Only one line can pass through a single point. This statement is false. Why? Through one point, infinite number of line can pass. Here, as shown in figure, this is a one point P. This is one line. This is second line. This is third line. In this way, there are infinite number of line can pass through a single point. Question number 2. There are infinite number of line which can pass through a two distinct point. Here, this statement is false. Why? Through 2 points only a single line can pass. False. Because two distinct points have only a single line. Means at least 2 points are required to draw a line. Let's see how. Here we have a single line. This is P Q. Here the 2 points. At least 2 points are required to draw a line. Question 3. A terminated line can produce infinite on both the sides. This statement is true. True statement. Why it is true? Here AB is a terminated line. This line can extend in both the sides. It can move in both the sides. Question number 4. If two circles are equal, then their radii are also equal. This statement is true because two circles are equal in their center, circumference, and they coincide. All things are equal. So we can say that their radius are equal. In question number 2, we have to define few terms. First term is parallel lines. What is parallel lines? First, the line which do not intersect, or a line, the perpendicular distance between two lines is always constant. They are called parallel lines. Here one line is L and another line is M. Here these two lines do not intersect at any point and the distance between them is same. From any point we can measure, the distance between them is always constant. The lines which do not intersect and the distance between them are same are called parallel lines. Next is perpendicular lines. The lines which intersect at 90 degree. The line which intersect at 90 degree. They are called perpendicular lines. Here one line called L and here another line is called M. Here these two lines intersect at an angle 90. So I can call as a perpendicular line. The line which intersect at 90 degree are called perpendicular line. Next definition is line segment. What is line segment? A line, straight line drawn from any point to any another point is called line segment. Let's see. Here P is a point and Q is another point. The line joining between P and Q is called line segment. The line which joins two points is called line segment. Next is radius of circle. The distance between the center of a circle and any point lying on a circle is defined as radius. This is center and it is a point on a circle. The distance between the center and any point lying on a circle is called radius of a circle. We can say this center and this is another point on a circle. We can say this is also called as radius. In same way, next is square. What is square first? The square is a quadrilateral having all sides equal. Means the quadrilateral which have all four sides equal and the angle between all the major angles are 90. So we can say that quadrilateral as a square. Here AB, BC, CD and DA are the four equal sides and they form a quadrilateral and the angle between them is 90 degrees. So I can say this forms a square. In simple, we can say the quadrilateral which have a four sides equals and the angle all angles are 90 is called square. Next question. Consider a two postulate given below. First, given two distinct points A and B, third existing point C which is in between A and B. Second, this existing at least 3 points they do not on the same line. Do this postulate contains undefined term? Are this postulate consistent? Do they follow the Euclid's postulate and explain? Yes, this postulate contains undefined term. Undefined term in postulates are there are many points lie in a plane, but postulates given here. The position of a C is not given or whether it lie on the line segment joining AB or not. Means C point is on AB or not. That is not sure. So on the top of there is no information about whether the point is in same plane or not. Yes, this postulate consists deal with two situations. Point C lying on the line segment or between A and B or point C does not lie on line segment AB. No, they do not follow Euclid's postulate. They follow axioms. Thank you.